Hello? Rico? I'm scared, dude. Hello? What the fuck is that? Hello? Hello? Are you an alien? What? What is this? Do you hear that? It stopped. Why'd you stop talking? Oh yeah, that's creepy. What the hell was that? Did you hear that?
Yeah, that wasn't you?
No, that was not me. I'm like, what the fuck is that?
Well, you just scared me.
I know. I'm
It sounded like some sort of spirit was trying to skin into me.
No. That was not me. I swear to God. That.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Shut up.
Okay, that wasn't me. Okay.
Oh, who is that?
Alright.
Who is that? Like the person in the background. I don't know what that was.
Are you sure you don't know?
Yeah, I swear to God I don't know, and that wasn't me. Okay, well, I put the video up.
Alright.
Okay. I'm scared now, dude.
I don't know what that was.
I don't know either.
You can't tell me you don't know what that was either.
I don't know what that was, I swear. I recorded myself calling you and I did not talk throughout the whole thing. Except I was like, hello? Are you there? Etc.
Okay. Well, now I'm kind of freaked out. It was kind of cool though, because it's like, I don't know. I mean, since you are Asian, it's kind of like, you know, like eating a grudge, right?
Oh my God, please don't talk about that right now. That already scared me enough.
I'm just saying, like, it is kind of, I don't know, it's kind of happening still, a little bit, as I'm talking to you right now.
Okay. I'm scared, dude. Oh my God, my teddy bear.
I mean, did you make a video?
Yeah, it's on YouTube now.